Welcome to my Tesla update. What I want to go over first is the supercharging network. I get a lot of questions about, can you road trip? Just look at 2013 versus today, how many superchargers there are. And Elon is in the process of doubling this. So there's plenty of superchargers out there for you to drive cross country. All you do is get in your car, hit the nearest supercharger, or you can just hit navigate to your destination and the car will automatically route you to the nearest superchargers along your route. So we have no problems with that at all. Once you get out, you just like plugging in your cell phone, you get out, you plug your car in, no problem. And it's very easy. If you can plug in a cell phone, you can plug in a car. My car is a really old Tesla. It's a 2013, 128,000 miles. And it only charges between, say, 50 kilowatts and 100 kilowatts, mostly 50 kilowatts, if I'm honest. I do have the original B pack that came with the car. So this is the original battery with 128,000 miles. Tesla sent out a software update to slow down the charging because they want to preserve the packs, which I get, but it's kind of a bummer because we can't charge it that full 100 kilowatts like we used to be able to. Now, with this being an older, high mileage Tesla, I get a lot of questions about, well, what happens when the battery goes? So I live in an area of Central Florida where there's an electrified garage here. They do after warranty support. They said they'll drop the pack, replace any damaged cells, put the pack back in for $5,000, which is probably cheaper than a BMW alternator. Here you can see this. I come here to the Crystal River Supercharger. I charge up, and I've never had to wait here, which is great. They're adding new superchargers all the time, which is wonderful. I always meet neat and interesting people here. People doing road trips, cross country. Now, if you look at a gas station, sometimes they're not so pleasant either. Not only are they dirty, you got card swipers here, you've got lines. I just can't say enough how much I love my Tesla. I really love the air suspension on the Model S. You can raise this suspension up to 7 inches of ground clearance, which really helps you getting on some dirt roads. My Model S has been flawless. I haven't had to do a lot of maintenance. I've replaced 2 suspension arms and tires. I want to thank everybody who's subscribed to my channel. I'm 150 subscribers away from my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and I really, really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything you want to see about living with an older Tesla, please let me know, and I will make videos about anything you guys want. Thank you very much. Have a great day.